This model offers a novel balance of support and flexibility and is well known for its high-top design and Flyknit fabrication. By combining a kaleidoscope of vivid colors and patterns that are influenced by several classic Kobe 9 releases, the version goes one step further. The shoe is visually distinctive and makes a statement on and off the court thanks to its combination of vivid colors and detailed embellishments. To maintain the Kobe 9 Elite's popularity among athletes, the Kobe 9 Elite High Protro will incorporate improvements to its performance features. For enhanced comfort and responsiveness, drop-and-react foam is used in place of the original Lunarlon cushioning. For further impact protection and energy return, a full-length Zoom Air unit is also included. The Nike Kobe 9 Elite High Protro which will retail for $240 US, will be available on May 21, 2025.